What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do this massive windshield. We're up for the challenge. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning it like my friend over here Ricky is doing. It did came back from a big road trip, so it does have all the bugs, bladders and stuff, so we're preparing to clean it on the outside. So the windshield's clean on the inside and on the outside. Now we're gonna go ahead and start measuring up for our film. We are using Xpel Xr Plus on this big windshield. We need a 60-inch roll. You see it's massive. The windshield is roughly about close to like 55 inches. So let's get ready to shrink it up and then we install it inside.
La cosa es aquí. Que esto aquí, cuando vendemos con el material,
From the bottom, yeah.
hay que buscarle la manera que meterlo hasta allá and then gingerly bring it.
Alright, let's do it. This is quite the challenge. Obviously, we're out in the environment. It was hot, but we got it done. We shrinked the big windshield. Just so you have an idea, I'm 6'1", 6'2", and look at this thing. Quite huge. But we got it done with a 60-inch roll of Xpel Xr Plus. It's about 98% infrared rejection. It's going to be a lot more comfortable as he drives across the country. Check it out. The sun isn't really beating down on him. It protects your skin, obviously, and it keeps this thing a lot more cooler, a lot more enjoyable to drive. So, anything else that you guys need, let us know. Cars, RVs, UFOs, whatever.